introductory session of the subject Essentials of Network Security. As I said, the name of the subject is Essentials of Network Security. Subject code is 3351602. It belongs to the IT stream for the students of Diploma Engineering in semester 5 and of course under Gujarat Technological University. Students, I will introduce you to the subject syllabus today. But before that, I would like to introduce you to the terms of the subject. That is, what is the meaning of information and how to secure the information. A lot of things are included in network, and those are termed as network resources. For example, computers, cables, printers and scanners. But the most important network resource is the information. Generally, for a layman understanding, the words data and information have the same meaning. But as an IT professional, information and data are two different words with their individual meaning. So let us see them one by one. The data can be defined as collection of facts which can be used for future references or analysis. And information can be defined as the collection of processed data. That means the facts will be stored in a particular structure which makes the data easy to access. And the aim of studying this subject will be for getting the knowledge of which are the important aspects of network security. So let's get started. In our subject, the first unit is Introduction to Information Security, in which we will be focusing on what is information security, why we need information security, and security services and mechanisms, and lastly the most important, that is security attacks. The second unit is on system security, and in that we will discuss about symmetric cipher model, cryptography and cryptanalysis, substitution techniques and problems in the symmetric encryption. Then the third unit is the building block of topics for unit number 4, that is the divisibility and division algorithm, and then the Euclidean algorithm, and also group rings and fields. The fourth unit describes about symmetric encryption algorithm. In that we will be studying about data encryption standard, its Fiesta structure and what is included in the first round of DES, and lastly the block cipher mode of operations. And in the next unit, that is unit number 5, it is on asymmetric encryption algorithm, and in that we will see maintaining confidentiality, authentication and maintaining confidentiality and authentication together. And in the last unit, operating system security, we will see the practical usage of network security by using firewall and cleanup tools. I hope this video will help to know the introductory part of Essentials of Network Security subject. Now, before ending this session, I would like to discuss some of the MCQ questions which can be asked in your examination. So the first question is, the collection of facts is known as blank. The collection of processed data is known as blank. Which of the following is a network resource? Then fourth one, processed data is easy to access, whether it is true or false. Operating system security cannot be achieved by using cleanup tools, whether it is true or false. You can write the answers in the comment box and just mention the options that are correct. Thank you for watching the video.